You can install a multi-site server on an existing VMS server for a small number of sites. Otherwise, use a dedicated server. Select the Enterprise Servers group, and then select the Multisite Server platform. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and ensure that the prerequisites are met. On the Install Setup page, you typically use the default values for the SQL database. For a new installation, leave the database source path blank to use the package on the installation media. Under Multisite Server, typically use the default port. If the passkey field is empty, type a strong passkey of at least 6 characters. Immediately document the passkey and keep it in a safe place. The passkey is required for each master server or master recorder server to join the multi-site deployment and is not easily recovered if lost. Click Next. Complete the SR Tool wizard and then click Install. After the software installation is complete, click OK and then Done. Close the SR Tool. To display the multi-site agent icon, in the Windows System tray, adjust the Agent UI for the multi-site server to show icons and notifications. Right-click the green agent icon to display common multi-site server functions. To configure a multi-site system, refer to the VMS Administrator Guide or the Verint Multi-Site Configuration tutorial.